It's tip Tuesday. Let's prevent bad breath in under 2 minutes. Hi guys, welcome to the Tooth Files. My name is 𝗑𝗏. I'm a registered dental hygienist, and today I want to show you how you can prevent bad breath with a tongue scraper. What you need is a clean tongue scraper, and I have my handy dandy mouse model here. Put the tongue scraper in the back of your tongue, not too far back, you don't want to activate your gag reflex, and then gently bring it from the back to the front, cleaning the buildup on your tongue, covering all the surfaces. You know, more than 80% of the bacteria that causes bad breath lives on the top of your tongue, so it helps to clean it daily. And that's it, you're done in under 2 minutes. I hope you liked this quick tip. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!